Hey guys, this is Jackie. I've seen this pan on Facebook, advertising on Facebook. It's called Missing. I've seen it on Facebook many times. They advertise it as stainless steel. So I decided to purchase it and I wanted to show it to you guys. So this is a 10-inch skillet. I think it was $50, which is a really good price. So far it's very beautiful. What I don't like is this handle, which is going to get hot. One of the competitors, Kitchen Craft, their stainless steel has a nice ergonomic heat safe handle that would not get hot. This also has rivets in it, which will get dirty with food around it. But other than that, it's very nice wide. It's a nice 45-degree angle, which will make it easy to clean. It's very smooth, just like the Kitchen Crafts pan that I like. So we're going to give this one a try. It doesn't come with a lid, but it's a really good price on Facebook right now. The advertisement, I think, is 50% off. So I just wanted to do a video because the healthy cooking is to do stainless steel. Don't do coated cookware. This says it's 110 stainless steel, 1810 stainless steel. The aluminum core helps with heat distribution really fast, and then the alloy helps keep it warm, and then it's topped with another stainless steel. So it's worth a try for the price. So if you want to give this a try, I am not a distributor for this company. I just wanted to show it to you. That's it. And it's a 10-inch skillet. So get it while it's on sale for $50, $60. It's a really good price for good quality. Okay, have a good one. Eat healthy, cook healthy.